Now, you have to create a growth plan. So build a growth plan to schedule out the time and days that you will work on growing your skills. A growth plan allows you to know ahead of time what you will be practicing. Your times should not change, right? Because you need a good schedule and a routine, and you should let people know when you are practicing so they leave you alone. You do not want to be interrupted, right? So we built a growth plan template in Excel that you could download and you could use. So this is the example template, and I'll show you how to use it. So what you want to do is, and it's a basic Gantt chart, right? And that project managers use to manage their time and their projects. But this is what you're going to do. So you're going to add your why, so you basically remember why you're learning, what you're learning. You're going to add your name and the date and stuff. And then you're going to basically fill out the information. So if you're learning the SEO course, you're going to plan out the days and times that you're going to take the course, like go through the course lessons. And then when you're going to do your assignments based on where you are in the course. And then times, again, I told you, when you're learning something like SEO or sales or anything, in my opinion, don't just learn from us. Learn from multiple places. So within this example, I'm taking the SEO course, right? Make some time to read Maz's Beginner Guide to SEO, right? Because you're going to learn some different things in there. Some of the concepts are the same, but it's going to reinforce the stuff that you're studying, and it'll give you a better understanding of what you're learning, right? So the time should, I could wake up really, really early. So the times should stay the same. I like to practice in the morning because then it's done with, right? So for me, the days I don't go to the gym, I usually practice. And then I've left notes here so that you could basically take notes on the things that you're learning and then highlight the days, right? And what you want to be honest, right? If you didn't train this day, mark it down as no, and put the routine, because this is about keeping yourself honest. So at the end of a year or end of a month, you could look back and say, oh man, I actually learned and I kept to my schedule, or I didn't, right? And then, so if SEO is what you're learning, you have skill 2, and then so on and so forth. So you could do this by the courses, you could do this however you want. But this Excel sheet is really, really nifty, and it'll help you plan out your day, right? So fill out this learning plan, this growth plan, and use it.